Hello everyone. Today we're introducing RIGOL's new DG5000 Pro Series function arbitrary waveform generator and unboxing it together to get a hands-on experience with this next-generation isolated waveform generator from RIGOL. Let's get started. Here we have DG5000 Pro mainframe, its power cable, 2 BNC cables, a USB cable, the quality certificate, and the certificate of calibration. DG5000 Pro Series function arbitrary waveform generator is based on the RIGOL SafeI 2 technology platform, achieving a maximum sampling rate of 2.5 G samples per second, an output frequency of 500 MHz, and a 16-bit vertical resolution. It features a 10.1-inch 1280 by 800 high-definition touchscreen. At the same time, the buttons and knobs have been optimized for an enhanced user interaction experience. Unlike traditional waveform generators, DG5000 Pro offers dual-channel ground isolation, eliminating interference caused by ground loops and improving output stability. Now let's take a look at the back panel. DG5000 Pro provides a variety of external interfaces, including USB host, device, LAN, and HDMI, to meet different scenarios. Here is the battery pack interface. DG5000 Pro supports powering by battery pack, allowing for flexible testing in areas without AC power. In addition to isolation, DG5000 Pro also has many functional upgrades. Now, let's power it up and give it a try. Power on. Boot up. DG5000 Pro's standout features include multi-pulse output, advanced waveform sequencing, and multi-tone modulation. Let's talk about multi-pulse output function first. The multi-pulse feature allows users to edit between 2 and 16 pulses. Here you can select the number of pulses, 2 to 16. The edge time is adjustable, ranging from 2 nanoseconds to 1 microsecond. For instance, here we set it to 2 nanoseconds, then adjust it to 1 microsecond. Click Apply and application is done. The multi-pulse feature is suitable for generating dual-pulse signals to drive components such as MOSFETs, IGBTs, and third-generation semiconductor power devices, enabling the testing of dynamic performance parameters for power devices. The second feature is the multi-waveform sequencing function. We are introducing the multi-waveform sequencing function at this level for the first time, a feature that was previously only available in high-end arbitrary waveform generators. It allows up to 512 sequence events. By clicking the plus sign, you can add more sequences. Additionally, we can set a trigger to construct complex sequences, transform the process of repeatedly constructing waveforms and setting up test environments into a single comprehensive test case, facilitating seamless switching between test cases. This will significantly save engineers time and enhance testing efficiency. The third feature is multi-tone modulation. This brand new function allows users to generate waveforms ranging from simple dual tone to 16 tones with flexible editing of amplitude and phase. This is particularly beneficial for testing the performance of devices such as amplifiers and filters. Frequency and tone intervals can also be adjusted as needed. Click Apply and application is done. In addition, the DG5000 Pro supports custom pattern output, including various pseudo-random binary sequence outputs from PRBS3 to PRBS32. We click here, then select PRBS. You can see PRBS types ranging from 3 to 32, all of which can be output. It also supports custom pattern output with a maximum baud rate of 300 megabits per second. Click here to select the pattern, where we have preset options available for selection. Furthermore, you can select its baud rate here with a maximum of up to 300 megabits per second. It also allows the selection of encoding types, including NRZ or Z in Manchester, which directly assists engineers in verifying the performance of digital IC interface receivers. The all-new DG5000 Pro Series delivers outstanding value across applications such as embedded circuit design and testing, power device performance verification, sensor signal simulation for consumer electronics, ultrasound detection in medical and industrial electronics, and Doppler waveform generation, etc.